We got a Cybertruck that's down. It's raining bad. We got to get this thing going. All alpha armoring. All right. Let's get this thing rocking. Got some damage. Bam. 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 Ouch. This is how you take off a Cybertruck. That is locked up. Oh, there go the tires. If the rears are locked up, just pick it up from the back. Fronts will roll. This forklift might just blow up right now. That is way too heavy. Look at the frame. Bye-bye. Completely ripped out. Good thing I ain't doing all that. Just getting it to run. That's my only job here. That's a goofy looking wrap, not gonna lie. All right, next day on the Cybertruck, we got even more damage. Look at this. That's the whole frame rail. I have no idea how they're gonna fix this, like at all. Got 2 new pyrofuses and a 48-volt battery. All right, even I'm wrong sometimes. The pyrofuse is in the rear, where the 2 fuses are in the rear. Got that shield off. And I think I figured out why you wrecked. Look at these tires. I guarantee you, during the first rain, oh boy over here spun out. I could actually put money on that. Let's get the pyrofuses out and new ones in. I'm not gonna do the high voltage disablement because it already got disabled, you know, after the wreck. Old ones, you know how you check them if they're bad? You come and you bring them to your nose. Oh yeah, that's burnt. New one's going in. You got some room over there, bud? Barely. I mean, you could do it the correct way and check them this way. And yeah, they're bad. No beep. Nothing. Dead. All right, so we're gonna use the 12 volt to get the main systems online, to not kill the 48 too fast. We used the AC compressor as the HVIL, got the laptop. We got one shot at this before the 48 volt system dies. So yeah, can't record too much from here. All right, screen's powered on. Time to put on the 48. Let's see if this works. Wish me luck. All right, here we go. Let's get the HVIL logged back in. Okay. All right, contactors are closed. Yes, there we go.
Easy.
That was straightforward. I'm so happy. Look at that.
What is that supposed to mean?
All right, it goes into gear. But yeah, calibration for the suspension, because this is for the steering. Truck will not run if this fails. I'm warning you right now. Scared, huh? Okay. I told you it was the rain, and I told you it was the tires. I knew it. Let's go back it up. Let's look at the rear. Look at this. Nobody touching him. Bam, there he goes. And hitting the brakes. Rookie mistake, my guy. Let's go. I knew it. Nobody even touched them. Keep track of your tires, boys and girls, on Valentine's Day. Ouch. Bam. I got a new angle. Look at this. Bad tires. Bam. 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 Ouch. Would you look at that? Not a single tire rotation, nothing. That's the service history. All right, suspension is done. Steering is done. Both front and rears are turning while I'm turning. That's how it's done, boys and girls. We got an update. Everything is green. Let's see. Yeah, we're done. So She's off to body. That's not my department, but as always, if you have any Cybertruck problems or any Tesla problems, Austin Imports in San Marcos, it's your best friend. See you next time. She came in dead. She's leaving alive. Wheels are turning. She's driving. Look at that. See? The things we can accomplish by watching YouTube videos. Look at that. That's right, boys and girls. We going. A goofy looking truck. Even wrecked, it looks good. Nice.